Alright guys, so in our previous tutorials we successfully created this method, and in this tutorials I'm going to show you how to make use of it and how to verify a user before logging in. Alright, so what I'm going to do is simply switch back to our interface and then make sure you change the variable name or the name of this text box to any name you can remember. For me, I use txt username, and also I did the same thing here. Alright, after that, what you need to do is just double click on the login button and then declare a local variable, say pass. Alright, let me call it user equals to txt user, which is the one we declared, dot get text. I love to trim, get text dot trim. Then alright, so R here. Then also another string, call it pass, equals to txt password.getText trim also. Alright, so when you successfully get the details of the user, what you need to do is just to call your confirm method and then pass in the user and the password. So when that is done, since you're returning an integer, so I'm going to say int confirm equals to this. So if confirm is equals to 1, that means we got the right user. Then what you need to do is just create new main. This is just the main is just a simple form that I created just to demonstrate, so you can do something of that nature. What you need to do is just dispose this login detail, just close it, then create a new main form. So let me just preview the main. If you open it right now, it's nothing, you just have a little icon. So you got the idea there, and then dispose it. So as that means the user was not confirmed, so you need to pass a message and say let me take this label here, the name lbl message dot, I'm going to set the text. You say user not found. Alright, so that is all we'll do in these tutorials, and let me just do a recap of what we've done. So what we've done is these variables there are used to get the details that the user types in these two input box. So when that is done, you pass it to the confirm user method, which is here. So it's going to run this method and then set the username to be this username and then set the password to be this password. So if the user exists in the database, it's going to increment this count here. So then what we did is just simply to return the count. So if you look at that method, if a user exists twice, that means it's going to increment the counts twice. So the reason why we did not say greater than or equals to something like this, the reason why we didn't do something like this is because a username and password can be the same thing in the same table. Like if you look at Facebook, you may see something like Kapasky and the password Kapasky, then another person Kapasky and the password Kapasky. So the thing that will differentiate them is in their email. As you can see, a user cannot use the same email as the one already found in the database. So something of that nature. So why are the confirm returns once? I guess me that means the user exists once, but the confirm can return 2 and the rest, but we are not interested, just return 1. Alright, I don't know if you get it, but if you don't, anyways, just leave me a comment. So why the confirm equals to 1, grant the person access, else deny access. And let's just run the application and see the errors we've made. So I'm just going to run the app. Alright, so we have our application here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wrong password first. So I'm going to say here Solomon, and then here Solomon, enter. So what we have here is what user not found. So what if I type in the correct password, which is admin, and then here password login, click on that. Alright, so successfully we have our window here. So anyways, that is how we confirm users in our database, and this is just the simplest way to do that. And if you have any nice or any cool way of confirming a user or creating a login program, just drop it on my comment box, and it will be appreciated. Thank you, and don't forget to check my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and also embed the videos in your website for free. share it to your friends, check out my blog, read more about database, read more about computer programming,